Aman and Beena were partners sharing profits in the ratio of 4:1. Chitra was admitted as a new partner for 1/4 share in the profits. Chitra brought 4 lakhs as capital, including 40,000 towards her share of goodwill. After all adjustments for goodwill and revaluation, Aman's proportionate capital stood at 8,64,000. Compute the adjusted capital or proportionate capital of Beena if capitals are to be in profit sharing ratio. Now, there are 3 partners: Aman, Beena and Chitra. Aman and Beena have profit sharing of 4:1, the old profit sharing. Chitra comes in for 1/4 of the firm. So the first working note we have to find out new profit sharing ratio. So if Chitra takes 1/4, Aman and Beena will be left with 3/4 of the firm that they will distribute in the ratio of 4:1. Therefore, 3/4 of 4/5 of 3/4 will be 12/20. For Beena, the new share will be 1/5 of 3/4. Therefore, this will be 3/20. And Chitra comes in for 1/4. You convert that in terms of 20, it will become 5/20. Therefore, the new profit sharing ratio is 12:3:5. This is step number 1. Step number 2 is computing Chitra's incoming capital, because they haven't given that number in the question readily. So we have to compute Chitra's incoming capital. Total money brought in by Chitra is 4 lakhs. It is including goodwill. Therefore, you remove her share of premium for goodwill, which is 40,000. Therefore, capital brought in by Chitra is 3,60,000. Now, from here we have to compute the next step is total capital of the firm based on Chitra's capital. Total capital of the firm based on Chitra's capital. Now, Chitra's incoming capital is 3,60,000 and she is going to own 1/4 of the firm. So you have to ask the logic: if 3,60,000 is 1/4, if 3,60,000 is 1/4, then what is 4/4 of the firm? What is the entire firm worth? Therefore, the computation will be 3,60,000 into 4 divided by 1. The answer is 14,40,000. So this is the total capital of the firm. Now, this 14,40,000 we have to distribute in the ratio of 12:3:5. So therefore, just note down the partners' names. 12:3:5. 14,40,000 into 12/20, 8,64,000. Therefore, 14,40,000 into 3/20, that will be how much? 2,16,000. You see, this is what they have given in the question. So they said that after all adjustments, Aman's proportionate capital stood at 8,64,000. Therefore, after all adjustments, your final proportionate capital will be 8,64,000, and then Beena's proportionate capital will be what? 2,16,000. Chitra's we found out, which is 3,60,000, which is already 1/5 of 14,40,000, 1/4 of 14,40,000. The answer is, final answer is 2,16,000. I hope you understood this question. I will see you in the next one. Thank you and bye bye.